Hey. Now let's see who's funnier. That was yours. Yeah, little.
I can't sneeze funny because I gotta hold this.
Alright, wait, my turn. Please tell me it's on video. Like, yo.
Hello. Hello.
What?
So you clean up.
Okay, I will.
Everything needs to be clean so that I can hide the egg.
Keep
Keep going. I want to do it this morning.
Okay.
And then we can make eggs.
Okay.
Huh?
Where's mine?
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
I'm gonna say Happy Easter.
But Mom, listen to Joey, alright? Hurry. Mom, listen.
Shut up. Happy Easter.
Jacob!
You even hear Joey.